HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add style to an element, such as color, font, size, and more. Here you can see in HTML h1 tag we use style attribute with some CSS properties like font family and color. So the result in the browser will look like this. Use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use background-color for background color. Use color for text colors. Use font-family for text fonts. Use font-size for text size. Use text-align for text alignment. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.